How do you remove kitchen cabinets?
That's the fun part. First you would remove the countertop, and depending on what the countertop is, if it's laminate, easy peasy. Usually laminate has screws in the corners. You back the screws out, pop the countertop off, and then you'll find that the cabinets are screwed into the studs in the wall. Back those screws out, and then at the face frame you have connecting screws. You back those out, or if you're feeling frisky, you can just go at it with a sledgehammer. But I recommend backing the screws out for a cleaner, easier demo.